Experiencing the dreaded FiveM ilev gundlc texture error can instantly ruin your game, but we're fixing it right now. This guide delivers immediate, actionable solutions to eliminate corrupted textures and visual glitches in FiveM. First, Method 1. Verify your game files. Corrupted or missing files frequently cause texture errors. Ensuring file integrity often resolves issues by replacing damaged assets. If that doesn't clear it, the problem might be deeper, leading to Method 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers commonly cause rendering problems. An update ensures your GPU processes FiveM visuals correctly. Still seeing glitches? Method 3. Clear your FiveM cache. Accumulated corrupt temporary data leads to display issues. A clean cache forces a fresh rebuild of error-free data. Finally, if all else fails, Method 4 involves a clean reinstall of Five. This guarantees a fresh installation, removing stubborn file corruption and getting you back into a perfectly rendered FiveM world. Don't let texture errors stop your gameplay.